Good day everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Canva on your phone. The first thing is download Canva app on your phone, register with your email. You need a email account. After registering, it will bring you to this page. You search for anything you want. So today I want to use quotes, so I'm searching for quotes. So I've already written quotes. I'll allow it to load. You can use Canva for different things, just name it. So it will bring different templates. Look at the template it's bringing. So you select the one you want to use. So I'm selecting this. So I want to change this template to my own word. So I will click on this and press edit. Look at it. After clicking on edit, yes, I will delete all that one and write my own words, the word I want. So I'm writing the words I want on it. Yes, after writing what I want, I click on the second word where they wrote real gate estate. I clicked on it, I delete it. You clicked on it and press edit. You after clicking on it and you press edit, you delete it and write your own words there. So I've written it. If you want to change the background, you click on the picture and press on photo. You see it, and after clicking on it, you press what you want. So I'm searching for motivational background. So it has bring it out. Some are in pro version, which means you need to pay. So I choose this one is not in pro version. So after clicking on it, you see it has replaced the background. So I want to change the color. I clicked on the word and I clicked on color. So I changed the color to red. Red is not good, so I want to use this color blue. And also I want to change the color for the anointed Zoe healthcare. I'm changing it to white. Now after changing it to white, the next thing is I want to put my logo. So I clicked on gallery. I'm on gallery now. So I'm looking for my logo. This is my logo. I added it to the page. So I clicked twice and it's brought prompt 2 images. So I'm using one and I'll delete the other one. Yes, so I want to delete. You can crop the image to any size you want. Yes, and you can place it to just click on it and do what you want. So you download. You click on the download button and download. So it's already downloading now. It's already downloading. Yes, it's downloading. You allow it to download. So after downloading, it will save to your phone, and that's all about Canva.